Hi everyone, welcome back to the video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your issues that your DirectX software is not working in your laptop in your PC. So when you try to install it and they getting the issues, so how you can fix that? So the first step is that you just restart your PC. After restarting your PC, just follow the second step. You just update your graphic card drivers. Make sure that you just update your graphic card drivers. If you don't know where you can update that, simply just going to the Windows icon, just right click and just going to the device manager and you see the option of our display adapters. Just click on and just here just update your drivers from here. After that is follow the third step is update your DirectX. So just press Window plus R and just type that. Okay. So do you want to check that if you are really signing? Just okay. So just wait. So they're gonna check that you have any direct installer already or not. So just checking that. I'm gonna next page and just check here from that. So I think that they are already enabled. So in my case, it is already enabled. If you not enabled in your case, just simply exit it and follow the step for install Visual C++ Redistributables. If you don't know where you can find that, simply just going to the Microsoft Store and just download from there. So if you don't know what they are looking like that, just going to the section. I'm gonna show you how they're gonna look that. So I'm gonna go to the control panel where you can show you exact what I'm talking about, what type of software that was. So as you see that software is like that, Microsoft Visual C++ just like that. You also install from the Microsoft Store. So after installing that one, so just follow the step 5 is one game app, that one add administrator. So if you're having that one game which after installing the DirectX is not working, so you just click with the game just like that. Just pause that was the game. So just right click and you see the run as administrator. So just run like that. So after that you just have to follow the step 6. Step 6, verify your game file. So if you have a verified game, so just make sure that you just using the and playing the verified game from the Steam, Epic and Game Launcher. So the seventh step is that you just fix your system file. So make sure you are having the system issues. So just go to the cmd and just run that command, which will also available in the description. Just copy that. So just wait. You just have to just copy that. So that was a prompt. Copy that and just going to the search or cmd. Here just paste that code and they're getting the issue because it's not the administrator section. So I'm gonna go right click and right click on the Windows section and see go to the Windows PowerShell admin section. So just yes it and here you just paste that code and gonna enter that. So after that they're gonna scan and checking if you're having any issue in your laptop or your PCs. They're gonna store that. So after that you just have to just follow the step page. You disable overlay just like that, Xbox, Game Bar, NVIDIA overlay. So just disable that. So after that just follow the step 9 is Windows update. So make sure that you just update your Windows. If you have any pending updates, just update that. After that you just install your gaming graphic card driver and again install that. So after that you just start your PC. After starting your PC, your problem gonna solve and your DirectX software gonna work easily. So that's it the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more videos like that.